guys, welcome back to another Dazzling Pooh video. So in today's video, I'm gonna share a quick review. Actually, this is a quick, honest review of two body yogurt from the Body Shop, and these are my most favorite now because I'm using both of these products quite a long time. I have used these body yogurts in summer as well in winters, and they are working like wow. So let me tell you quickly, these two body yogurts are these two body yogurts from the Body Shop. The first one is this strawberry body yogurt and the other one is British rose body yogurt, and I equally love them, except that I love the fragrance of this rose way more, but I don't like the fragrance of strawberry because I really don't like edibles in these type of body care products, so I prefer this fragrance. Except this the fragrance issue, they are like amazing, they both are amazing. So quantity, you will get 200 ml each, and the strawberry one is 945 rupees and this rose one is 845 rupees. So they have like 100 rupees different. This one is 100 rupees pricey than this rose one, and both the products are made in Germany and they are superb. One, let me show you the quantity I have used so far, so you will get to know that these are like less than half, and the same with this is also less than half. And consistency of both of these products is gel based, or you can say water based. They easily glide on your skin and you don't have to do any hard work. Just put a little amount and just do simply this, and it will just moisturize your body very nicely, and the fragrance is other thing. And after putting both of these yogurt, you may feel like that you have used some best perfume. Some people may not like the fragrance, but I personally don't have any issue with the fragrance. In fact, I like fragrances, except I just don't like edible fragrance in these body care products, but rose one is my favorite. Show you a quick demo from the rose one. So this is the consistency. This is very easily glidable. This is like gel based. This so watery, so you can use in summer as well in winters. It will keep you hydrated for a long time, and it doesn't give you a shiny look. It is completely matte and your skin will be so smooth and also very soft after applying these body yogurts. And on my personal experience, I just love both of these products, and for the recommendation from my side, it's a big yes. If I love this, I think you may also like these products, and they are really wow. So if you like all the information consisting in this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.